Good evening everyone. Today, last class continuation, E1 reaction. E1 reaction, unimolecular elimination reaction. Unimolecular elimination reaction. In these types of reaction, first order kinetics. First order kinetics. First number one. Second one, rate. Rate of the reaction. Rate of the reaction that is equal to rate constant substrate. Substrate. Number three, E1 reaction. There are two-step process. Two steps process. Two steps process. First step, slow step, heterolytically fission to form carbocation. Second one, alpha carbon to attack. Alpha carbon to attack. Okay. Next one, overall reaction for E1. Overall reaction. Tertiary butyl chloride. In the presence of alcoholic KOH, the product CH3, CH3 double bond, CH2 plus KCl plus H2O. This is overall reaction. Next, mechanism. Mechanism step 1. Slow step process. Heterolytically fission. Heterolytically fission. First one, CH3 Cl CH3 to gives carbon chlorine bond cleavage to form carbocation. CH3 plus Cl minus. Step 2. In this carbocation to attack CH3 CH2H. Here this CH3 methyl group can be splitted CH2H. Positive charge. Lone pair. In this lone pair electron to attack hydrogen. This one of the hydrogen bond shifted towards carbocation. OH, H2O. The product CH3 single bond C double bond CH2. CH3 single bond carbon. Next double bond CH2 as it is CH3 plus H2O. This is 1, 2. Second question methyl group. So 2 methyl propene. 2 methyl propene. Unsaturated hydrocarbon. This is the first one, E1. There are two steps process. First, heterolytically fission to form carbocation. Second one, carbocation is converted to alkene. This one. Another one example, tertiary butyl alcohol. Followed by sulfuric acid H2SO4 to gives the product CH3 CH3 double bond CH2 plus H2O. Isobutylene. In these types of reaction become E1 mechanism, that is E1, unimolecular elimination reaction. Unimolecular elimination reaction. First step 1. Step 1. Step 1, sulfuric acid to splitter H plus and HSO4 minus. Sulfuric acid to splitter H plus and HSO4 minus. First to compare tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol to gives H minus C plus. So C plus CH3 OH minus H plus to produce H2O. OH minus H plus to produce H2O. This is step 1. The next step 2. CH2H CH3 plus HSO4 minus. HSO4 minus. In this HSO4 minus to attack. This one of the hydrogen bond shifted towards carbon C plus. The product acid is CH3 single bond C double bond CH2. Second repeat. CH3 single bond C. CH3 single bond C. Single bond become changed to double bond CH2. The next CH3 HSO4 minus H plus to gives H2SO4. H2SO4. This is named as isobutylene. Isobutylene. This is another one example for E1, unimolecular elimination reaction. Based on 1 mark in these types of reaction, first order reaction. Next reaction, reaction with metal. Reaction with metal. So reaction with metal, carbon metal bond. Carbon metal bond. So carbon metal bond is known as organometallic compound. Organometallic compound. Organometallic compound. First reaction, preparation of Grignard reagent. Preparation of Grignard reagent. Preparation of Grignard reagent from haloalkane. Take CH3, CH2, Br, ethyl bromide. React with magnesium in the presence of dry ether. In the presence of dry ether, the product CH3, CH2, MgBr, ethyl magnesium bromide. This is ethyl magnesium bromide is also known as Grignard reagent. In general reaction or X, alkyl halide, so react with magnesium to give in the presence of dry ether. In the presence of dry ether, the product or MgX, alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl magnesium halide. So alkyl magnesium halide is otherwise known as Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent or maybe alkyl, or maybe alkyl. Say example, ethyl, methyl, propyl, butyl, etc. X maybe fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. This is Grignard reagent. Example, C2H5MgI, ethyl magnesium iodide, CH3MgBr, methyl magnesium bromide. This is known as Grignard reagent. In between carbon and metal bond. So carbon and metal bond, especially magnesium. Carbon and metal bond is known as organometallic compound. Next reaction with active metal. Reaction with active metal, especially S block element. CH3, CH2, iodine, followed by 2 moles of lithium in the presence of dry ether. Lithium plus the next I minus, the product become CH3, CH2I plus lithium iodine. This is ethyl lithium, Li. Ethyl lithium. Second one, reaction with sodium lead alloy. Reaction with sodium lead alloy. Okay. CH3, CH2, Br, ethyl bromide, followed by 4 moles of sodium bar lead, Pp, to gives. Take the 4 moles of ethyl bromide, Na plus Br minus, so 4 moles of NaBr, sodium bromide, ethyl product lead, the product CH3, CH2, 4 times Pb, plus only 1 lead, remaining 3 moles of lead. This is named as tetraethyl lead. Tetraethyl lead. This is TEL. Tetraethyl lead. That is TEL. Okay. Next, reduction. Reduction in the presence of nickel or palladium. Haloalkane converted to alkane. Haloalkane is converted to alkane. Example, CH3, CH2, Br, ethyl bromide. Ethyl bromide get reduction in the presence of nickel per palladium. Just reduction, addition of hydrogen, cleavage, hydrogen, CH3, CH2 plus addition of hydrogen, that is CH3 plus HBr, CH3 plus HBr. So named as ethane. First number 1. Second number 2. Second one, CH3, CH2I, ethyl iodide. ethyl iodide followed by HI in the presence of red phosphorus. One more questions. In the presence of red phosphorus, the product I2 gases. One of the hydrogen tag. So CH3 plus I2, that is reduction. So reduction, haloalkane converted to alkane in the presence of nickel or palladium. First number one. Second one, ethyl iodide followed by HI in the presence of red phosphorus, the product alkane, especially ethane. Okay. Next one, uses the first number one, CHCl3, chloroform. So chloroform is one of the solvent for pharmaceutical company. So chloroform, one of the solvent for pharmaceutical company to prepare drugs. Second, very important one, it can be act as a anesthetic. Chloroform, it can be act as a anesthetic, that is unconscious anesthetic. Second one, iodine, iodine. So uses of iodine, it can be used as a antiseptic. Third one, carbon tetrachloride, dry cleaning agent, CCl4. Carbon tetrachloride, dry cleaning agent, CCl4. It is become a organic solvent. This is uses of chloroform, iodine and carbon tetrachloride. Next topic, we are move to organometallic compound. Organometallic compounds. In this organometallic compound, like carbon and metal bond. Example, CH3 MgBr, methyl magnesium bromide. It can be expanded for methyl magnesium bromide, carbon, hydrogen, magnesium, bromine. In this carbon metal bond is named as a organometallic compound. So organometallic compound, carbon metal bond. To compare carbon and metal bond, first number one, it is a covalent bond. Second one, highly polar in nature. To compare the carbon. So to compare the carbon, carbon is more electronegative than magnesium. So carbon is more electronegative than the magnesium. So carbon become partial negative. Magnesium become partial positive charge. Carbon is more electronegative than magnesium. So carbon is a partially negative and magnesium is a partially positive. Okay. The next one, preparation of Grignard reagent. Preparation of Grignard reagent. From haloalkane, CH3, CH2, Br, ethyl bromide, Ethyl bromide is a react with magnesium in the presence of dry ether. In the presence of dry ether, the product CH3, CH2, MgBr. Ethyl magnesium bromide. Ethyl magnesium bromide. Suppose we take CH3I, methyl iodide, followed by magnesium, to give CH3 Mgi. This is methyl magnesium iodide. This is methyl magnesium iodide. This is ethyl magnesium bromide. This is for Grignard reagent. So preparation of Grignard reagent from alkyl halide in general reaction or X. Alkyl halide is a reactive with magnesium. Alkyl halide is a reactive with magnesium in the presence of dry ether, the product or MgX. Alkyl magnesium halide. This is general method preparation of Grignard reagent. Next, uses. Uses of Grignard reagent. Many of the synthetic organic compound can be prepared. So many of the synthetic organic compound can be prepared from Grignard reagent. Example, preparation of primary alcohol. First number one. Second one, preparation of secondary alcohol. Third one, preparation of tertiary alcohol from Grignard reagent. Fourth one, preparation of aldehyde. Fifth one, ketone. Sixth one, ketone, acid, carboxylic acid. Seventh one, ester. So many organic compound it can be prepared by using Grignard reagent. Next reaction, preparation of primary alcohol. So preparation of primary alcohol from Grignard reagent. Preparation of primary alcohol. Formaldehyde react with the Grignard reagent. The simple addition product followed by hydrolysis. The product primary alcohol is obtained. First overall reaction, formaldehyde. So react with the methyl magnesium iodide. So methyl magnesium iodide followed by hydrolysis. Product CH3, CH2, OH. Ethyl alcohol plus MgOH. The next I. This is overall reaction. The next go to mechanism. The formaldehyde. Followed by CH3 Mgi. In this methyl group to attack partial negative charge of carbon. So negative charge, methyl group to attack carbon. Carbon. Negative charge Mg plus to attack. the product to gives hydrogen, carbon, CH3, hydrogen, O, Mg, I, intermediate, followed by hydrolysis, H3O plus, H3O plus can be splitted H plus bar H2O. Water to splitter H plus and OH minus. So oxygen magnesium bond cleavage, hydrogen OH, hydrogen and OH. The product CH3 CH2OH, CH3 CH2OH. Once again, CH hydrogen CH3, next OH plus MgOHI. This is named as CH3 CH2OH, CH3 CH2OH, ethyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol. So conversion overall reaction, how to convert it to formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is converted to ethyl alcohol. So very famous conversion. Formaldehyde is converted to ethyl alcohol in the presence of Grignard reagent with increasing one carbon atom. This one carbon becomes changed into two carbon. One carbon becomes changed into two carbon. Once again repeat. Formaldehyde is converted to ethyl alcohol. It's a very important reaction. Formaldehyde is converted to ethyl alcohol. Take formaldehyde, HCHO, formaldehyde, followed by methyl magnesium iodide, methyl group to attack carbonyl carbon, double bond shifted towards oxygen. The product HC hydrogen CH3 OMgI, OMgI, and hydrolysis, water, H2O bar H plus, water to splitter H plus and OH minus, to cleavage, hydrogen OH. The product CH3 CH2OH, CH3 CH2OH, CH3 CH2OH, ethyl alcohol. The byproduct magnesium iodine, next OH. It's a very important one. How to convert formaldehyde to ethyl alcohol, or preparation of primary alcohol by using Grignard reagent. Next, preparation of secondary alcohol. Preparation of secondary alcohol. Preparation of secondary alcohol. Preparation of secondary alcohol or conversion. Acetaldehyde converted to isopropyl alcohol. Preparation of secondary alcohol by using Grignard reagent, or conversion, how will it converted to acetaldehyde converted to isopropyl alcohol, or isopropyl alcohol, preparation of isopropyl alcohol from acetaldehyde. Okay, 1 2 carbon, 1 2 3 carbon, with increasing one carbon, definitely by using Grignard reagent. Okay, CH3C double bond OH. Take acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde followed by methyl magnesium iodide. The same procedure, methyl group to attack carbonyl carbon. Double bond, magnesium. The product CH3 as it is. CH3 single bond C, CH3 H, the same one. O MgBr, OMgI, iodine, because of iodine, followed by H2O, hydrolysis, or H plus, the same one, cleavage, HOH, the product CH3, hydrogen OH plus MgOHI. To comparison, CH3, CHOH can be rearranged. CH3, CHOH, CH3. This is isopropyl alcohol. In this alcohol becomes secondary alcohol. This alcohol become a secondary alcohol. Or IUPAC name 1, 2, 3. Prop 2R. So second preparation of secondary alcohol by using Grignard reagent. Or conversion. How will it convert to acetaldehyde? Acetaldehyde is converted to isopropyl alcohol. To compare carbon atom, here acetaldehyde become 2 carbon, isopropyl alcohol become 3 carbon. With increasing 1 carbon. Definitely with increasing 1 carbon by using Grignard reagent. This is a preparation. Okay. Conclusion. Today we are seeing about E1 mechanism, elimination. So elimination reaction, unimolecular elimination reaction, first order reaction, 2-step process. First step, slow step, second one, faster. Next is second one, preparation of Grignard reagent. Third one, reaction with the active metal like magnesium and sodium. So alkyl halide react with the sodium, tetra ethyl lead. Then next reduction, haloalkane converted to alkane reaction. Then last one, uses of compound like chloroform, iodine. The next one CCl for carbon tetrachloride. Next one topic we have considered organometallic compound. First preparation of Grignard reagent. The next uses of Grignard reagent. In this uses of Grignard reagent, many of the organic compounds can be prepared by using Grignard reagent. Like the first method, preparation of primary alcohol or conversion, formaldehyde converted to ethyl alcohol. First method, preparation. Second method, preparation of secondary alcohol or acetaldehyde converted to isopropyl alcohol. So isopropyl alcohol become a secondary alcohol. Okay. Tomorrow we move to tertiary butyl alcohol. Preparation of tertiary butyl alcohol from Grignard reagent. Thank you.